Well, hiya. Today is post-op day one. I didn't do anything other than spritz my hair with water and apply my moisturizer, and that's why my hair is all frizzy like. But this is post-op day 167. And today I just moisturized my hair. It is just feeling and looking so good. I know I look crazy. I look like somebody from Good Times. I forgot his name.
We're gonna miss that kid.
Anyway. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to be washing my hair just because I am now changing. If you guys did not hear me from my last updates, I am changing my hair routine to every 3 days to wash my hair. On my second wash for the week, I will still continue to do like a wash reset and do a deep condition as well with that. And the reason why I'm doing that is because I was seeing a lot more breakage during the time that I went a long span without actually washing my hair. My hair was breaking off for, I don't know why. I had to get back to cleaning my hair a little bit more often. So I am going to be doing my hair and washing my hair every 3 days, but this is post-op day 168. I also just want to clear the air up too as well. I know I haven't been as consistent as I want to be for you guys. I just been having a lot going on. I am getting ready to move pretty soon, so things have kind of slowed down. But by the time this video posts, hopefully we have gotten a pick-me-up to put me back to where I was and get back to all your questions and all that type of stuff and answer, whatever questions you guys may have. Also the content that I promised you guys that I was going to get for you guys, that will be soon to be posted as well. So just be on the lookout. Also make sure you are following me on my YouTube channel. That does include a little bit more details on you want to follow me on multiple platforms because I might be giving some over here and some over there. And you might be missing out on something over there, and I don't want you to miss out on it. So make sure you follow me on all platforms so you are able to catch me on those things. I did not wash my hair. It's just one of those days. I had to relax, you guys, and it's okay. It's okay. One day, it's okay to miss. Like I always preach to you guys, I'm human. I got other things that's going on, like I mentioned to you guys. I am currently moving, and like right now, nobody's thinking about washing their hair right at the second. So, I mean, the to-do list has been piled up. You guys know how that goes. My hair is indeed in need of a wash. I just have a lot of gunk right now on my hair at this moment that needs to get off my hair, but for sure tomorrow it will be washed tomorrow. I just had a lot of things going on for today. This is post-op day 169. I had to come on here really quick to show you guys this definition in my hair. Like, look. What? Look at those curls. Those hydrated 4C. And I'm wet because my hair is just like soaking wet. I put my products on in the shower. And you guys, look at that. I think I'm onto something. So today is post-op day 170. I know you guys just saw the curl definition in my hair. I just finished washing my hair. It is so moisturized. I think I hit the jackpot with this one. If I had washed my hair sooner yesterday, things probably would have came out a little bit better. But you guys, I am on a roll, y'all. Like, y'all think my hair growing now. Y'all just wait. Because like, I think I've cracked the code on keeping this hair hydrated. Hydration is like okay, think of your hair as a plant. Okay, in order for it to grow, you need water, right? You want to continue to keep your hair moisturized as much as possible and keep it as clean as possible. That's the key. That's all I've been focusing on, maintaining my nutrition, eating healthy, sometimes. And I will just say that I've just been maintaining overall hair health, but this is post-op day 170. I didn't do anything. I am on the move. I'm moving right now, so I look like this, but this is post-op day 171. Hopefully I can wash my hair by Sunday. Not gonna make no promises because I'm in a move-in transit, so we'll see. Yeah, today is post-op day 172 and these are the results. I am traveling. And that's all I have to say. Well, hiya. Today is post-op day 173 and I'm here to give you guys the updates on my hair. So of course I did get a chance to do my Sunday reset. I washed my hair, molded my hair. Everything is good. I am really loving the fact that I was able to do a every 3 to 4 days wash cycle and wash my hair 2 times a week. And I'm really loving the way my hair is taking moisture to that. So I will continue to use the products that I am using and continue this healthy hair care regimen for a healthy hair growth. I will say that the front, it is filling in and coming along. I think maybe I'm just being a little bit more impatient, but I do see some little gaps that I would like to have kind of like close up. We'll see. This is post-op day 163. And I hope to see you guys next week.